Hello, Canon EOS M and Magic Lantern fans. I hope you're doing amazing and still finding the magic every time you pick up your EOS M. Before we dive into today's video, I just want to say thank you. Thank you to every one of you who watches, comments, and supports this channel. Every message, every like, every word of encouragement, it truly means more than you can imagine. You are the reason I keep pushing myself to film better, to create more, and to share this passion with the world. So, today's video was filmed in 3K 12-bit RAW. It's just a simple, peaceful walk through the park, no crazy setups, no expensive gear. For this shoot, I decided to mount the humble 1855 kit lens on my EOS M. I wanted to show you once again that you don't need the most expensive equipment to capture beautiful cinematic shots. It's all about how you see the world and the passion you put into every frame. So remember, it's not the camera or the lens that creates the magic. It's you. Your vision, your emotions, your unique way of telling a story. Even with the simplest tools, you can create something truly special. So as you watch this little journey today, I hope it reminds you that beauty is everywhere. Sometimes you just have to slow down and notice it. Thank you so much for being here, for your support, and for sharing this creative adventure with me. Stay inspired, keep shooting, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.